Hello fans, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today fan we are going to talk about guys infinix phone guys Wi-Fi network problem guys. How can we solve? Fans, you have guys Wi-Fi network problem in your infinix phone device. So how can we solve infinix phone Wi-Fi network problem? In this video guys we will talk about it. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we solve Wi-Fi network problem in our infinix phone device. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. So we will on guys our phone setting guys. First of all guys we will off our Wi-Fi setting. Then guys scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting friends. Click on guys your phone system setting and finish on guys phone system setting guys, tap here and friends you can see guys your reset option guys, tap here. So friends you can see guys infinix on guys this reset setting guys. So guys we will on get the reset setting and once you can see Wi-Fi setting we will tap here. Once you can see confirm your pattern. So once you have guys any pattern log, so once you will have to draw your pattern. So I will draw guys my pattern to solve my Wi-Fi network problem. Once you can see reset setting as tap here to reset means then guys come back. Once your Wi-Fi network problem has solved. Once you can see Wi-Fi will on automatic guys, and once you want to connect a network, so guys you can connect from here. So as I will enter guys this Wi-Fi password guys to connect. So you can see that Wi-Fi network has connected guys, and guys now guys we can use this Wi-Fi setting without any problem. Suppose guys you have any problem related with your Wi-Fi settings, so wait, don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.